So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with a new video for the interesting point, that is a checkout. So recently Shopify has upgraded themselves from the checkout perspective, that we are no longer able to use the checkout.liquid. All of the customization which we have to do is via checkout customize or by creating the checkout extension. Like if we want to add any extra field or if we want to do any UI changes, then we need to be able to do the checkout extension, UI extension for that. So in today's video we will be checking how we can customize that, like the front end, how we can customize that using the given feature. So let's jump into that. And yeah, as soon as you go into your Shopify admin and when you click on the settings, then go for the checkout. And if you have not upgraded for the checkout, then it will show you like upgrade to the checkout. Else it will directly give you like this is your layout for the Shopify's new checkout. And you can either duplicate it or view, rename it, or customize it. So let's go straightforward for the how we can customize this. Let me check for that and go again. Okay. So now here you can see the settings, like we can add the logo, we can change the logo alignment, we can give the logo position, we can add the background images and number of background images. We can give the color as well, like how which color we want to show on the checkout, like accent color, whichever is our favorable color that we can show into the front end like this. And yeah, for the buttons, like these buttons, see these are the accent colors. And for the buttons, like we can give any other color that we want. And for the error, like we can keep it as a red. So for the form fields as well, the form fields, currently I have kept it as a white, or you can keep it as a transparent as well. For the headings, I'll be having like default font, and for the body as well I will be using default font. Just I'm giving you guys overview that if how we can change this, like if I have changed it to this, then the font have been changed. So I'll be using default font. So next step is like checkout layout. So this is not previously given. Like we can customize the layout, Shopify checkout layout. Like either we can give it one page, like in a single page only it will show the contact information, delivery information, payment information, and order summary. But in a three page, which is an old layout, what we will be showing, like in a first, like we will be filling the information, then we will be continuing the shipping, then we will be going to the shipping page, entering, selecting our shipping method and the payment method. From the Shopify, it's recommended, or like from the all of the perspective, it is recommended to use the one page checkout for the faster, shorter checkout on a single page. So I'll be selecting the one page checkout only. So once you go that, like I'll be giving you guys overview, like adding the logo and all of the stuff. Like I'll be adding the logo over here, like it will show like this, and I'll add one of the background image as well to let you guys know how it will look like. So this is how it will look like. So that's how the overall checkout layout has been upgraded. Like we can do all of the settings from here. But if you want to add any of the text after this block or after this block, then we need to do a node react code that we will be checking on a further videos. For now, that's the information I want to show you guys, that that's how it will look like, the checkout customizations. So yeah, that's it for today's videos. Thank you.